Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with partnership income this tax season, you've probably received a Schedule K1, also known as Form 1065. Many people get stuck on how to properly import it into TurboTax. But don't worry, today I'm walking you through the exact step-by-step process. By the end of this video, you'll know how to get your K1 entered correctly without confusion or errors. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the TurboTax website. Open your browser, go to the official TurboTax site, and sign into your account. If you're brand new, you'll need to create a free account before you continue. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your TurboTax dashboard. From here, go to the top right corner and use the search bar. Type in K1 and press Enter. You should see a link that says, Jump to Schedule K1. Click that, and TurboTax will take you directly to the section where you can import your form. Next, TurboTax will ask if you received a Schedule K1. Select Yes. Now it will give you options for the type of K1 form you have. Since we're focusing on partnerships, make sure to choose Schedule K1 Form 1065. Before you continue, grab your physical or electronic copy of the K1 form your partnership provided. You'll need the information from this document to enter into TurboTax. TurboTax will now guide you through a series of questions, step by step. It'll ask for details such as the partnership's name and EIN, your share of income, deductions and credits, and any additional information reported on the K1. Simply follow along and input the data exactly as it appears on your form. Take your time here to avoid typos or mistakes, since even small errors can affect your return. Once you've completed all the fields, TurboTax will automatically add this income to your return and adjust your tax calculations accordingly. That's it. You've successfully imported your Schedule K1 into TurboTax. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of importing a Schedule K1 Form 1065 into TurboTax for 2025. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tax guides, and drop a comment if you ran into any issues. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your tax filing this year.